What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 60 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 60 free stocks. When you open a new Moomoo brokerage account, you put $100 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. If you put $2,000 initially in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 25 free stocks. And if you put $5,000 initially in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 60 free stocks. Limited time offer, so don't delay, act today. Get yourself down in the description box and click on that first link, which is the Moomoo link. Open up that Moomoo account today and go get that free stock. I will also send you a couple of Moomoo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moomoo brokerage app. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Moomoo account and funded it, and I'll send you out those tutorial videos. Today is the day, guys. Nvidia Q1 earnings report comes out, and the entire stock market is on pause right now, waiting on it. Here's the headline. Stocks are little changed as traders await Nvidia's earnings. Stocks oscillated on Wednesday as investors paused for the latest earnings report while awaiting Federal Reserve meeting minutes and Nvidia's quarterly figures. The S&P 500 traded down 0.1%, as did the NASDAQ composite. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 49 points or 0.1%. OKTA shares plunged 12% after the identity management software company kept its guidance steady despite a better than expected quarter due to macroeconomic uncertainty. On the other hand, Abercrombie & Fitch and Dick's climbed more than 27% and 1% respectively following quarterly reports. Nvidia is set to report earnings after the bell. Investors will be paying close attention to what China restrictions will mean for the artificial intelligence chip maker, which sees no slowing in demand for its graphics processors. Shares were little changed during the session. That's good news. Nvidia is saying we don't see any slowdown, guys. That's good news. The big drivers of the economy that kind of keeping it out of a recession and keeping corporate profits positive is consumer spending and business investment. This is coming from senior investment strategists at U.S. Bank. Nvidia's key indicator of did businesses accelerate their investments? At 2 p.m. Eastern time, the Fed is expected to release the minutes from its May meeting. Wall Street will look for clues into how central bank officials are thinking through monetary policy at a time of greater macroeconomic uncertainty. Traders also monitored rising bond yields. Notably, the 30-year Treasury yield reached the 5% level in Wednesday's session. Very important, guys, because as those Treasury yields go up for the 30-year Treasury bond, that tells us who are trying to attract investors, America, that we got to pay a premium. Why? More risk. As that 30-year Treasury yield goes up, that represents more risk to investors. That's not a good thing, guys. Investors are coming off a strong session. The 30 stock Dow rallied more than 700 points, or about 1.8%, while the S&P 500 rose 2%, each ending a 4-day losing streak. The NASDAQ composite advanced roughly 2.5%. Those moves come after 47 on Sunday said that he would delay a 50% tariff on the European Union to July 9th. after initially saying Friday that he was not looking for a deal. This added to investors' hopes the stock market can leave the worst of the tariff chaos behind. That's what you got happening right now, guys, on a Wednesday before Nvidia's big announcement. If we roll the clock back over the last 3 quarters, Nvidia has come out with amazing results. All 3 quarters, they beat on top line and bottom line. And in my opinion, gave good guidance for future quarters, but investors didn't like it. The stock sold off in every quarter from the 3 previous quarters after earnings came out. Will history repeat itself today? We'll find out this afternoon. I believe at 5 p.m. Eastern time, they're on the clock. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. Either way, I'm a big believer in the stock market only exists because it goes up. Now, that doesn't mean it goes up every day, but ultimately it goes up or it wouldn't exist. It's the #1 asset class in the world, the United States stock market. $55 trillion in asset value. So in my opinion, no matter what happens with Nvidia this afternoon, early evening, I'm still bullish when it comes to making investments in big boy blue chip paper assets for long-term wealth building and passive income creation. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what y'all think is going to happen with Nvidia this afternoon, early evening, when they come out with their Q1 earnings report. What do you think is going to happen? Will they beat bottom line, top line? And if they do and give good positive guidance for Q2, will the market take a hold of that and run up with it, or will they just sell it off? Love to get your feedback. If you want up to 60 free stocks, Moomoo will give you 60 free stocks if you open up a new Moomoo brokerage account and you put some money in the account. Now, here are the details. $100 you put in the account, they give you 5 free stocks. You put $2,000 in the new Moomoo brokerage account, they give you 25 free stocks. You got to put at least $5,000 in your new Moomoo brokerage account in order to get the full 60 free stocks. Link down in the description box, first link, Moomoo link, click on it, open up your account today, go get your free stock. www.richardfain.net is my website address. I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will help you increase your financial literacy, and then in turn, hopefully will make you a better investor, help you become a better investor so that you can build yourself some wealth and get the freedom. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. Listen, man, all we do in that community is just support one another, help each other in this wealth journey, in this financial freedom journey, through golden nuggets, best practices, tips, what's working, what's not working, and just having a safe environment for people to come together and talk about ways to build wealth. So if you want to be a part of that community, all you got to do is click on the join button or the membership button in the website. It'll take you over to Patreon. Sign up, man. That's where I'm giving out the real game. So we love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.